don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to the web say it just happened. The Labour Party presidential candidate will be Peter Obi on Monday, June 17, 2024. Don't kick against the plan of federal government to go buy new plane for presidential fleet. As in talk, say this move where federal government won't move, they very insensitive because of the bad economy and hardship where they happen for inside the country. But presidency don't reply. I'm going to tell and say whether in want to make the life of president today at risk. As in go the fly plane, we're not good at all. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on Monday, June 17, 2024, come pay Salah visit to the Oba of Lagos, will be Oba really one Aremu Akiolu for inside in palace where they for Lagos State. As plenty Lagosians they don't come out to come stand for road to come the wave to welcome President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We make some other Nigerians they come the fire by man they give them. Say like say this people them they suffer where they happen for inside this country, not touch them at all. Multi-choice.com bring down their subscription rating of DSTV and GoTV for inside Nigeria after we court.com ordered them not to increase the price of the subscription. And on Sunday, June 16, 2024, now they reduce the price rate on top their app. The Rivers State Governor will be suing Fubara.com tell all the heads of local government administration say to immediately make they take charge of the 23 council areas of the Rivers State after the 3 years tenure of elected local government chairman, vice chairman, and councillors will be say expire on Monday, June 17, 2024. Ogbonge Kasala.com boss for inside Rivers State after the tenure of the local government chairman there for inside Rivers State don't expire and they not agree to come out for inside office. Now so plenty youths they don't come gather themselves for come boss inside the secretariat to go do an agree protest for the local government chairman them. Now so you call about police where they guide them, come they shoot gun anyhow. As plenty of the youths they come provoke, come go they scatter all the billboard posters them with their pictures they day. And now on Tuesday will be June 18, 2024. And this Kasala boss.
Nigerians, what is going on?
Nigeria, what is going on?
See,
nothing to go
on.
The tenor of the local government chairman has been laughed.
Yes.
And we are in the council government. We are came as a citizen of Rivers State.
We are hungry for over 5 years now.
Yes.
So we have come to take over what belongs to us. Yes. Ambassador is capable of running this government without looking anybody's face.
Okay,
God bless you all.
The Actors Guild of Nigeria don't hold candlelight to pay tribute and respect to the late Nollywood actors them like John Okafor aka Mr. Ibu, Amechi Monago, and also Zulu Adigwe for inside the Unity Fountain on Monday night, June 17, 2024 for inside Abuja. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't come to tell Nigerians they say not be only them be the people that will face poverty for inside the whole world to say but they must fight against the challenges them as in talk. Say one of the way to fight against the challenges them are to remove banditry and terrorism so farmers them will go back to their farm. But on Tuesday will be June 18, 2024, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't come out for inside Lagos, travel go Pretoria to attend the inauguration of the South African president will be Cyril Ramaphosa. Barrister Stella don't come to educate Nigerians and say to knock anus will be anal sex, say na punishable offense and it go lead to 14 years imprisonment. Say anybody will go knock anus instead of pekus, say they guilty on top the section 214 for the criminal code. Some supporters of the governor of Rivers State will be suing Fubara. All of them don't go first, can't go scatter the former Rivers State governor will be using wicked statue with the module for inside the headquarters of Obino Akpo local government council. Some Omila hoodlums them on Monday afternoon don't go bomb plenty cars there for inside Bukuru town, just South local government area of Plateau State, and these hoodlums them now anti-just city renewal where the state governor will be Caleb Muftwang administration they carry out. And this began happen after the Just City Renewal Committee them go clear one site where they for inside Bukuru community. Now so the area boys where they come attack them, come wound just some of them.
No, ba wani shake. Wallahi bukur ba mace dan uwar su. Da motocin mutane. Yawwa, su operation Rambo. Suna ta kona mana mutane. Gashi na kuna kadi.
One man on top Facebook wey im name be Jimmy Okaba don come dey mourn dey cry for im older brother wey be Kingsley Okaba 32 years old wey just kpai as dem dey plan for im wedding as dem come talk say Mr. Kingsley get ogbonge accident along Enugu Abuja expressway come kpai on June 14, 2024. One lady wey be student don come out to come talk say im send her mama 40,000 naira say make she just use am take hold side na so her mama come provoke for her come dey tell her say where she see 40,000 naira as a student dey send for her abi she don dey follow men dey do okpo miliki work na so she come reply her mom come dey beg her mom say no say she no dey follow men and she no dey do okpo miliki work say because for inside school say she dey do caretaker work and na there she dey take dey see small money na im make her take see the money take send take give im mama as plenty Nigerians on top social media don come dey hail im mama say the mama do well say because she question her daughter so her daughter no go fit dey do anyhow things just to send money for her.
ó send 40k owó kíni ṣé orí ẹ̀ fẹ́ dàrú ni kí ló ń ta blow through no wonder ó pẹ́ tó ti wálé gbẹ̀yìn ń bọ̀ wá bá ẹ ní school yẹn no problem no wonder wálé ẹ̀ ń ṣe gbá ẹ̀ ń ṣàmú school 40k kí ló ń tà.
More than 1,300 prisoners dem for inside different prison wey dey for Nigeria dem don grant dem amnesty as dem come release dem from inside prison and na between January go reach May 2024 na im dem grant dem dis amnesty. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy una day.